This is gonna be good. Lower unit. I haven't changed the oil in 2 years. Got this little trick I do with this wrench here. There we go. Got some up here too. I hope that will come up faster. See if I can hand crank them. Nope. I had the compression things went bad on this a couple years ago. I had to put new washers in because it was leaking. 2 up there, 1 down there. Let's take this one out. See what happens. Give it some air. Put that one there. I put them back in the same holes. That one there. This one had the washer come off. This one didn't. Now if nothing comes out, we're in deep doo-doo. And it doesn't look that bad. I was nervous because a couple of years ago I had water in it, and it was because of that bad washer, which is right there. Still getting a little tiny drip out of there. Well, again, oil doesn't look bad. This is what I'm putting in it, which is in this quart bottle also, but it's that's the grade. And I got this thing here that I'm going to use to pump the oil in. I got it all taped up because it's leaking. Gear oil stinks, man. So this was from the last time I used it 2 years ago. So I need to take this off, which of course finding the end of the black tape is never easy. Alright, so that goes in there, and I'm assuming, I don't know if this screws in. Oh, it's got 2 types of threads. I don't remember which one worked. Oh, it's this one. Huh? Yeah, it's this one. Nope. Is it on there? No, it isn't that one. Too big. That's just sliding in and out. I must have just saved it in case I got a different motor. At least that wasn't oil. Hang it down in here. Old school. Make sure I'm not cross-threading it. It's going in good. Tighty, tighty. What's up? Put that back in there. Still got oil leaking right there. Okay. Now the theory is I pump until oil comes out up here. Then I cap up top, pull this out, and then put the last cap screw on without getting oil all over my garage floor. So here we go. Oh yeah, look at that. That's juicy. A little bit of air in there though. Seems dry. Oh, we got some action going right there, that one. That's good. Wonder why it's not gonna. So that one is getting oil. Okay. Screw in there. See if we get some coming out of this other hole. Oh yeah, there we go. That is lovely. That's how it's supposed to work. Okay, I'm gonna grab some other screwdrivers. Shit. One minute. Where's that oil going? Oh, it's in there. That is pumping too much in. Don't want to do that. Imagine you can overflow it. And I know as soon as I take this little one off down here, we're gonna have oil all over the place. So let's give it a little more shot just for grins and giggles. Well, supposedly take this off. It's not supposed to bust out. I'm supposed to have my little retaining screw on standby, which I have right here. Oh. Yeah. Houston, we're having a problem. Okay. That was interesting. And I got some oil on my garage. Shit. Sorry. It's a big rust spot on the floor anyways. Okay. So that's going to hold off for another couple of years after I tighten everything up. So now it's clean up. There it is. A do-it-yourself for lower unit change, which probably will get critiqued. And but if it helps somebody, it helps somebody.